Zeus was the youngest son of Cronos and Rhea. His father Cronos was a god who was known for being a bit scary. A long time ago, Cronos was the victim of a curse from the goddess Gaia.
When a child is born, you will be stripped of your throne.
He was worried that his children would take his throne one day, so he swallowed them all as soon as they were born. Poor Rhea, the goddess, suffered terribly each time Cronos swallowed one of their 5 children. And then, Rhea became pregnant with her 6th child. She was determined to shield this child from Cronos and thought about how she could do that. When she opened up to Gaia, the goddess of the earth, Gaia was so kind. She said she had a good idea and told Rhea one method. As time went on, Rhea's little one was ready to come into the world. That child was Zeus. Gaia carefully hid him in a small cave deep in a forest in Crete where the nymphs lived. Rhea gently took the stone, which was as big as a baby, and wrapped it in soft cloth. Then she went to her husband Cronos and handed it to him. Cronos swallowed the bundle whole without suspecting a thing. He didn't even realize it was a stone. Zeus soon grew into a strong young god. The nymphs told Zeus, now fully grown, the secret of his birth. They revealed who he really was and that his parents were Cronos, king of the gods, and Rhea. They even told him that his 5 older brothers and sisters had already been swallowed by Cronos. When he heard that he too had almost been swallowed, Zeus was filled with anger.
I will save my brothers and sisters.
Zeus set out to rescue his brothers and sisters and meet his mother. Together with Rhea, he made a clever plan. He gave Cronos some food with a special potion that would make him vomit. Soon, Cronos brought up all his children. The siblings who came out were Hestia, Demeter, Hera, Hades, and Poseidon. Zeus then joined forces with his siblings. Together, they overthrew Cronos, and Zeus became the king of the gods. Next time, I will tell you the story of how the beautiful goddess Aphrodite was born.